Aaron Dean at times seemed stoic, frustrated, and got emotional as he told the jury why he shot and killed Atatiana Jefferson.
I saw the silhouette. I was looking right down the barrel of a gun. And when I saw the barrel of that gun pointed at me, and I fired a single shot from my duty weapon.
Put your hands up! Show me your hands!
He says he never saw her hands, only the silhouette, and couldn't tell if it was a man, a woman, or what race.
When my vision cleared, then I observed the person that we now know as Miss Jefferson. I heard her scream and saw her fall like this. And I knew that I'd shot that person.
He says when he ran inside the house, he saw her bleeding but didn't perform CPR.
I know you're crying right now, but October 12th, 2019, you weren't crying when you decided not to administer CPR to Atatiana Jefferson, were you?
I didn't decide not to.
Dean and his partner were responding to an open structure call. He says once he approached the house, he never identified himself as an officer because he thought it might be a burglary and didn't want to tip off anyone inside.
But if you would announce yourself Fort Worth Police, then maybe Atatiana Jefferson would still be alive, correct?
Maybe.
He also admitted he didn't know the department's general orders by properly calling for backup when he thought there might be suspects, instead putting himself in front of a window and shining a light inside.
It's more bad police work, isn't it?
It's not the best.
But he gave himself a B grade for the job he did. The state kept hammering him on that, trying to show the jury that Dean put himself and others in danger with bad police work.
Do you still believe you've done a B-level job so far?
I think I did a fine job.
Dean insisted that it would have been dangerous for him to identify himself as a police officer on this type of call. But on cross-examination, he admitted that in similar calls to this in the past, he had in fact identified himself as an officer. Chris and Izzy, back to you.
So, Rebecca, in your opinion, was it a good idea for Dean to take the stand?
Dean was the only one who could tell the jury what he was thinking the moment that he fired that shot. So his defense attorneys decided to put him on the stand, but it did open him up to a lot of questions about the use of deadly force, about his training, and about protocols for the police department, including why he didn't call for backup when he thought this was a burglary and waited for other officers to come help him clear that home safely. Instead, they said he put himself in a position to use deadly force. Back to you.
All right, Rebecca, thank you. And we won't know what impact Dean's testimony had on the jury until there's a verdict. But a defense attorney who provided legal analysis on our live stream today said this was a critical day.
I think today was a really good day for the prosecution. He had to make several admissions, and there were several things that he absolutely did wrong.
Attorney Kobe Warren said by pointing out where Dean's actions differed from Fort Worth's PD's general orders, it might have planted a seed with the jury that a reasonable police officer would not have used the same force Dean used. Our streaming coverage and legal analysis resumes tomorrow morning on WFAA Plus, WFAA.com, and on our YouTube page.